Hello, my name is Steve Lombardo, Group Vice President of Sales for Star Manufacturing, APW Wyatt, and Baker's Pride Group. Today we're going to show you how to service and troubleshoot our two-sided grills. These are our models GR14 SPTK and PSC14 DTB as used by KFC and Taco Bell. How to replace the bottom probe. Disconnect the unit from its power source. Remove the grease drawer. Flip the unit upside down to get access to the bottom of the unit. Remove the 4 feet and remove the 5 Phillips screws on the bottom cover and remove the cover. Disconnect the probe wires from the control board using needle nose pliers. To check whether the probe is good, check the continuity and confirm it has failed, which essentially reads open on the ohmmeter. Cut wire ties from the wire bundle. If the probe is bad, loosen the probe clamp screw with a 1/4-inch nut driver and then remove the probe from the casting. Feed the probe wires out of the control heat shield opening one at a time, pushing the terminal through the opening. Do not pull the wires as it could disconnect the terminal. Before installing the new probe, put thermal paste on it. Then install the new probe into the bottom casting and tighten the probe clamp with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Feed the probe wires through the control heat shield opening, pushing through the opening by the terminals. Then reconnect the probe wires to the control board in their proper location. Retie all the wire ties into bundles, ensuring no wires are close to the element. Flip the unit over onto its feet, being careful to hold on to the 2 top lids so they don't spring open during the process. Plug the unit into the power supply. The two-sided grills produced since September of 2018 feature a diagnostics tool to ensure the wiring is correct to all of the internal components. To run the diagnostics, with the power off, press and hold the first button on the left display and turn the power on. The diagnostics feature will test the bottom platen first, the top left platen second, and the top right platen third. If all 3 zones are correct, the display will show PAS. If there is a wiring issue, the display will show FAIL. When the test of each individual zone is complete, press the first button to begin the test of the next zone. At the completion of testing of all 3 zones, turn the unit off and turn it back on again for normal operation.